How do pop-up matcha drink stands prevent drink mistakes? They prevent mistakes by using clear order notes, measured recipes, organized stations, and a final check before handing over each drink. First, the stand writes every order in a clear and consistent way, including the drink size, milk choice, sweetness, ice, toppings, and any allergies. Each drink follows a recipe card, so the person making it does not have to guess how much matcha, water, syrup, or milk to use. Matcha is usually whisked with a small amount of warm water first, because adding powder straight into cold milk can leave lumps and create an uneven taste. Measuring tools help keep every serving similar, even when different workers take turns preparing drinks. The order ticket stays beside the cup, and the cup may be marked with simple codes or short words for special requests. A useful but less obvious trick is to prepare drinks in the same order that tickets were received, because rushing between orders makes mix-ups more likely. Before serving, another worker or the maker compares the finished drink with the ticket and asks the customer to confirm unusual changes. Keeping milk containers, syrups, powders, and toppings in fixed locations also saves time and lowers the chance of grabbing the wrong ingredient. A common mistake is relying on memory, so write down every change instead of trusting a quick verbal request. Another problem is using the same scoop or pitcher carelessly, which can cause cross-contact with dairy or other allergens, so clean tools and separate equipment should be used when needed. Some workers also assume that a drink looking correct means it is correct, but the sweetness, milk, and topping can still be wrong, so check the ticket before passing it over. If a customer changes an order, repeat the change aloud and update the cup immediately. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.